Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by securing your data and configuring storage. First, back up your current system image to an external drive, then shrink or create partitions to carve out 60 GB for Windows 11 and 40 GB for Windows 10. Once done, reboot into UEFI/BIOS to confirm boot mode. Use UEFI for modern installs and only enable Secure Boot if both OS installers support it. Make sure installation media are ready. A Windows 11 USB and a Windows 10 USB created with Media Creation tool. You now install the second operating system onto the partition you prepared. Start the installer for the second OS. Install the older OS second if you want the newer bootloader to manage dual booting. Choose Custom Install and point explicitly to the target partition so you don't overwrite your first OS. Once installation finishes, boot into firmware and set the preferred boot drive. And then, if Windows Boot Manager doesn't list both systems, run bcdedit in elevated command, prompt to add or repair entries, so both Windows 10 and Windows 11 appear. You finish by updating each OS and verifying dual boot operation. Boot into each Windows, install chipset and storage drivers, then run Windows Update to ensure stability. If the boot menu fails to show one OS, run Startup Repair from installation media or use BCD boot to recreate boot manager entries. For example, BCD boot D, \Windows to add the D drive install. If Secure Boot prevents booting, temporarily disable it, install necessary drivers, or use signed installers. Then re-enable Secure Boot once both OSes boot cleanly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.